Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of JavaScript tutorial. I'm going to continue the arrays. As I said in the previous episode, I told you that we're gonna complete arrays in episode 4. Well, here it is now. Make sure to stick to the video till end and let's get right into it. So first, we need to make our HTML5. As always, you can use HTML5 or you can use doc. They both do the same thing. In order to use JavaScript, you should open a script tag and in the tag, give it a link using this attribute. As I said before, when you want to give a link of a folder, you just write dot and choose your folder. You define arrays two ways, as you remember. First, you can type var and then the name of your variable, then open these two and in them you can have multiple values for it. Pay attention that you don't have to use any specific variable. You can define whatever you want in your variables. Oh, and in arrays, you don't have to close the tag. I mean, you can put this at the end, but it'll do nothing. The second way for arrays is you write var, then the name of your value equals new array brackets. You can define any value. As I said in the previous episode, in arrays, it doesn't matter that what type of value you're using. Another important thing about arrays is how a computer reads your values. For example, a normal person will say this is value 1, 2, 3, and 4. But it's a bit different in computer language. The counting starts from 0. Let me show it to you for better understanding. You do remember this code from last video. And you know that whenever you want to take a look at your codes in a browser, you should use live server. Alright, let me split this two real quick. Forget about these errors, they're not even mine. So in here, it tells you that you have an array and you can see that the values start at 0. It also tells me the amount of values I have in my array. Now, what if I want to call only one of these values? What should I do then? It's pretty simple. In this line, after the variable name, just write the number of the value you want to call. As you can see, it prints it. You can also use type of for more information. There are some small useful things I'm gonna tell you now about arrays, small tags that may come in handy. First is how to reverse your arrays. It can be simply done by using this code. And if I print it, in here, this is my last value, but in the browser, it's first. Another thing is shift. What this tag does is, it deletes the first value of an array. Let me comment this first. For example, in this, the value is ASD. By typing this code, number.shift, the first value gets deleted. The next thing is adding a value to the beginning, so it counts as 0. It can be done by this code, name of the variable .unshift. And in a bracket, open a double quotation and write your new value. As you can see, pixel is the first value in my browser. The other one is deleting an array from end, which you use pop for it. The structure of all of them are the same. You just change the tag after your variable and it does a different thing. You can see that this guy is deleted. The next one is push. which is the opposite of unshift, which the bases are similar again. The value should be in a double quotation. Hey, sorry to interrupt you guys. I'm the narrator. As you can tell, I'm not the one coding in these videos because I'm the only one familiar with English in this group of idiots. I just wanted to say that this guy spent like 20 minutes just to figure out that his VS Code is bugging. And he ended up deleting all of it, creating a new file, and writing all the codes again. And I enjoyed every second of it. Sorry, enjoy the rest. The other guy is copying a whole array. It's pretty simple. You just define a new variable, equal it to the array you want to copy, and dot the slice. The next is a bit more useful than the other ones. Searching a specific array. It can be used in many situations, like you have an array with 500 values and you need to find a value called family, for example, and you have no idea how to find it. That's where this line of code jumps in. After making a new variable, write the name of the array dot index of. In the bracket, you need two things. First, the name of the value you're looking for, and the number of the value you think is after it. For example, you're looking for family, and you can remember that it's after value 1, for example. So you type 1, and if I print this, it tells me that family is value 2. So whenever you want to search in an array, use this tag. Let's finish the video with this tag, the last one. It puts all your values together, turns all of them into string and print it. Just like this. It's the same as others, but this tag is called the join. And if I print this, you can see it puts them one after the other. And if I use typeof, it tells me that all of them are string. If you want to make the output better looking, which I don't know why would anyone wants to beautifullize this, but I'm just a narrator, I don't care. In the join tag, write a tempo, for example, 3 space, 1 line, and 3 space again. And as you can see, it changed in the output. You do need to use them in future projects that I'm gonna give you. So memorize them, practice them, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and make that subscribe button happy. We will be happy to see your comments too. I'll see you again in another video. Bye bye.